Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have already known today's topic. It is Bougainvillea plant. Bougainvillea is a vibrant, blooming plant which will be easily grown in your garden. If you need a tough, tropical with oceans of color that can stand up to heat and drought, Bougainvillea is your plant. The plants that you see right now are those plants from last year's cutting. You can easily grow plants from cutting, and this season is the best season for doing it. So don't be late and grow new Bougainvillea plants in your garden right now. First, all you have to do is cut a branch. The branch should be as thick as a pencil. Then remove all the leaves. Then just put it in the soil. The soil which has cocoa peat or sand media is the best for your plant. Then just wait for 45 to 60 days and you will see leaves coming and the root has already grown. What my mom is doing right now is, these are the last year's cutting. So she's pinching and pruning and defoliating the leaves. From this, your plants will get bushy and healthy. And guess what? You will get the best flowering of your plant. Okay, so let me share some basic tips and tricks for Bougainvillea plant to get lots of flowerings. Make sure the pot of Bougainvillea is in full sun, because more sun equals to more blooms. This is a basic but very useful tip. The plant needs at least 6 hours of direct sun per day to be its floweriest. Now let me tell you when to water. You should only water when the top inch of the soil is dry. Let me tell you a ninja tip. Bougainvillea prefers infrequent deep waterings to regular shallow waterings. Dump water on the plant until it runs out the holes in the bottom of the pot. Next is the fertilization. If your Bougainvillea plant is in direct soil, your plant is not a heavy feeder. But if you are growing it in the pot, it might be a heavy feeder. So you could use water-soluble fertilizer or liquid fertilizer and give it to your plants. My mom sometimes gives liquid banana peel fertilizer, liquid kitchen waste compost, and sometimes liquid mustard cake fertilizer. Next is to how to control the pests and diseases of your plant. Normally this is a pest-free plant. As you know, my mom doesn't like to use any chemical fertilizer. So in this case, you can use neem oil fertilizer or Bioenzymes. Can you guess what my mom is doing? If you have seen our earlier videos, you might have known what my mom is doing. This is a heavy raining period, so the excess water stays on the soil. So my mom is making these holes so that the excess water goes through these holes. And with these, the water will drain properly. I hope this video will help you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.